What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ki pulit kanong po traffic police hakasaw trik risaw kila pelong kajing talasi na pangi ki kali pen kenyan kamtam ki banya kali hapring kajing di buan hakaba kila dain kuna hadu jan lailak tingka hakate kajing talasi kaplas dang na du kapor mensngi hadu kapor jan miet ki pulit kilala bebun na ki ba kim patiaw satya ya ki anya kali kamtam kajing shngan jo kajing im bandeng ya ki helmet ki seat belt wat lai ki pulit ki ju ai ka jing hikai ka jing maham na kapor sya kapor e ki kali ki balit pawan tang ha ka ni kasngi ki pulit kila yo bandan kuna hadu shilak life la jar tingka ha kapor mensngi bat shilak dripo jar tingka na kinong nya ki badi bu ai ha kapor men miet bat baro ka jing yo lum jing ki pulit kalakot kumba arlak daipo lai hajar tingka na kalyang ki pulit kila maham ru ikipat ba bakim de ban ken sting habanya kali hadu ki arshaka hadu ki kali he hendre ban bot renti eki kendon an na kabenta ka jingsngan bat ban lat na ki no gun ki jingja bas ngosi
Gusa, hidar, hidar.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.